Hey guys, in this behind the scene video, I'll be sharing 3 key takeaways to elevate your photography game. Number 1 is the camera angle. In this video, you can see me changing the camera angle. Camera angle is super important while taking your image. Knowing the correct camera angle to use for each pose makes your image to look more professional. It tells a story, so try to master camera angle. Each point I share in this video will be going into a more detailed explanation in another video, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so that when the detailed tutorial about camera angle comes out, you are going to be notified. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. And also the poses is super important. And for those of you that don't know how to naturally give pose, you can check Pinterest, you can check the internet to get the pose and share it to the model, so that both of you discuss the pose you are going to use for the image, so that you know exactly what you are trying to get. So you can see me still taking another image, changing my camera angle, and the camera angle is the height and the position so that you are taking the image. Is going to affect the image greatly. It's going to affect the outcome. It's going to make it look professional or amateur. So mastering your camera angle is super important. And number 2 is the posing. The posing, you are going to post your model or you are going to direct the shoot. So if you are blank, you don't have any post, you just check Pinterest for inspiration, check the internet for inspiration. What do you use for your own currently? Let me know in the comment section. What do you use to inspire your posts currently? Let me know in the comment section. I mostly use Pinterest if I'm blank, and if for the mood board, if the shoot is going to be a concept shoot, I discuss with the model or the makeup artist depending on how the shoot is going to come out, and we are going to bring out poses. So preparation before the shoot is super important. That's where the posing come in. The poses you are going to get, you discuss it before the shoot, so that when you come and you start to shoot, you don't waste time going about looking for what, doing try and error. You just go straight and you begin to shoot because you already know exactly what you want to get. Another super important point is the lighting on your image. The lighting is super important. For this image, I'm using the loop lighting. There are several lighting techniques out there. We have the butterfly, loop, Rembrandt, backlighting, rim lighting, and all that. Lighting is a very deep topic in photography that takes a whole lot to discuss. If you want me to make a tutorial dedicated to lighting, let me know in the comment section right now. If it's posing, you want me to make a tutorial on posing, let me know in the comment section. And if it's on the camera angle, let me know in the comment section. It's going to take practice and watching from professionals, because when you watch professionals do their work, then you also learn and you replicate it, and your image quality overall becomes better. So you can see me taking this shoot right now, and you can see the model is cooperating and actually striking poses, because we've already discussed this before the shoot, and this is going to affect the quality of the image at the end of the day. So you need to prepare for the shoot. Now you need to take good shoots and you need to edit well. For the editing part, if you want me to make a tutorial on how I edited these images that I'll be showing you on the screen right now, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to show you how I edit the image. You can check the link in the description for a one-click action I use for my editing. The link is in the description, so check the description right now for the auto fix FS action. Happy to be part of your creative journey. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video right now and share to your other colleagues so that it can be also helpful to them. Happy to be part of your creative journey. See you in another amazing tutorial.